darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from February's Boxycharm. This month's theme is XOXO for Valentine's Day. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the NCLA Beauty So Rich Love Potion Cuticle Oil, TULA So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub, Trestique the Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil, Wander Beauty Getaway Eye and Face Palette, and the Glamierre Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. Now that we've unboxed it, let's create a look with the products inside. First, let's take a closer look at the Cuticle Oil by NCLA. It's so cute with little pieces of hearts and glitter inside. I'll just apply this to my cuticles and then we'll move on to skincare with the TULA Exfoliating Scrub. This scrub contains pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel to help target blackheads and deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. It's a really interesting texture, kind of like jelly, and it's sticky too. I'm just applying it according to instructions by massaging it in circular motions. This is such a unique mask. I've never tried anything like it actually. It's kind of slimy and like gooey, but you can tell that it's definitely exfoliating because of the little pieces of volcanic sand. Okay, I'm just going to remove that with this rag and some water because I am in my filming area and I'm just trying not to get this everywhere right now. So I took that scrub off, and now that the rest of the products are just for the eyes, I'm going to hop off here for a moment, apply some face makeup, and then I'll be right back to test out everything else. Alright, now that I've done that, we can go ahead and try out the Wander Beauty Eye and Face Palette. This is $36 and features 6 highly pigmented shadows, a blush, and highlighter. It's a very simple yet versatile palette, which is great for on the go. I'll be using this alongside the Glamierre Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. They come in this super cute pouch with a button enclosure. These are perfectly fitting with the Valentine's theme and I'm loving them. The first shade I'm dipping into is called Day Trip, and I'm just applying this onto the apples of my cheeks. Next, I'm picking up the highlighter shade called After Hours, and I'm just applying this to the highest points of my face. Ooh, I like it. It's really shiny. Now for my eyes, I'm picking up the shade called Chateau. I'm just applying this to my crease and sweeping it out towards my temples a bit. This is looking really pretty and it's also blending itself out really easily. Now I'm picking up the shade called Yacht. This is a very pretty rose gold. Now I'm picking up the shade called Cabana, and I'm just applying this to the inner half of the lid. Alright, so I just put on some eyeliner and now it's time to try the Trestique Eye Duo. I actually already tried the mascara because it came in November's Ipsy, and I thought it was a pretty good product for travel because it comes with this built-in eyelash curler. So I'm just going ahead and curling my lashes with that. I'm just applying the mascara to my upper and lower lashes. I quite like this mascara because it's really lengthening. Finally, I'm using the eye pencil to help blend my false lashes with my real ones by applying it to my upper waterline. It's retractable with a built-in smudger and sharpener, which is everything that I look for in an eye pencil. Here's the finished look using products from February's Boxycharm. Let me know if you loved this month's theme as much as I did in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.